Alright, welcome to another awesome giveaway. On today's giveaway, you're going to see two winners. And that's because we have a surprise giveaway and then a regular giveaway winner. Anyways, if you guys would like to sign up, make sure to watch the entire video for the 3 steps for a chance to win. Now the winner can choose whatever they want from the item shop as always. Anyways, right now we're gonna get started with the gifting, so let's go. Okay, so they both signed up for the same thing, the Goku bundle. Awesome and good choice. So let's just get started with the gifting. Alright, so we're gonna go right into the item shop. As long as you have 2FA and you've been friends for 2 days, so that's 48 hours, you can gift somebody, by the way. So right now, we're gonna scroll down and take a look at right here. We've got Goku. Here's the bundle. We're gonna buy as gift, and then let's just go into whoever's in our party. We're gonna start off with Lethan, the official giveaway winner. We are gonna purchase this as a gift. It's only 2,700 V-Bucks, and we're gonna send it off as a gift. If he doesn't get the gift right away, all he has to do is change his banner, go into a game, get out, and then he can see his gift. Right now, I know that he got it because he says gift sent. Plus, it also sends owned, so I can't send it off again. Now we're gonna do the same thing with Ty, since he wants the exact same thing. So we're gonna click on his name. We are gonna send it off as a gift, and here we go. So we're sending off the gift. It has been sent. We can go back. It also sends, it also tells me right now that it's in fact owned by him, so we're good to go. We can just go back. Alright, so Lethan got it right away. Now Ty, on the other hand, maybe he's just getting his gift right now. There we go, Ty got it. He's actually wearing that one first. Awesome, so congrats for winning, guys. Now if you guys would like a chance to win, make sure to follow these 3 simple steps. Number 1, go right into item shop right here on Fortnite. On the bottom right hand side, you're gonna see support a creator. So you're just gonna go right into there and type in tech and design. Now keep in mind, it can be all caps or it can be just like you see it right now. Click on done, accept. Step number 2, subscribe to this YouTube channel, Tech and Design. So just hit subscribe. Step number 3, below in the comments area of this video, you're gonna type in, I want to win a free skin battle pass emote back bling. It depends what you guys want to win, just type that in. So in this case, if you're signing up for a free skin, type in what skin you guys want. You guys want the battle pass? If you're signing up for that, then it's the battle pass. So be specific what you guys want, and in the end, just type in your epic username. And that's because I have to match up your epic username with whatever name you guys are using right here on YouTube. Anyways, that would be it. All you guys have to do is follow those 3 very simple steps and you're all done. That's it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.